Hello guys, today is the iPhone launch day and I just went back from my local Apple store where I bought the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max in this amazing natural titanium color. So let's unbox it together and find out what's inside the box. Anyway, I don't think there are many things to look for as Apple is selling us again and again the same iPhone 12 Pro Max with just a bit better chip and slightly better cameras in a new titanium housing this time. But before starting the actual video, I just want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and activate notifications for all my future videos. I would really appreciate your support. Without losing more of your time, let's go straight to the topic of this video. I think I've already seen this design somewhere. Well, honestly, I don't have any emotions. Like seriously, iPhones are getting boring. And this is normal, since the iPhone is a finished product. Every new model is a small evolution and not a revolution anymore. Why people are buying new iPhones nowadays? Because the old iPhone is getting too obsolete or their iPhone is broken. Otherwise, there is no need to update. The iPhone 15 Pro is the iPhone you already have, but more expensive. I already own the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so what's new for me? Dynamic Island, a magical way to interact with your iPhone. New titanium housing, which is by the way not a real 100% titanium, I'll get back to it later in my full review video. Slightly curved edges and a smaller screen frames. A new groundbreaking A17 Pro processor, which is not called bionic anymore, you know. 5x telephoto lens. New groundbreaking USB-C connector that will allow us for faster data transfer. By the way, the standard cable that comes out of the box is still USB 2.0 speed, so you have to purchase a separate cable for another $17 to be able to use faster data transfer. And this is the biggest scam I ever seen in my life. Like really, they are selling a so-called Pro iPhone with a 2.0 USB speed in 2023, because technically it's still a USB 2.0. And basically, that's all about this so hyped iPhone 15 Pro model. Anyway, even if it's a minor update for the iPhone lineup, I'm still happy with my purchase, although I don't really need this device because my iPhone 12 Pro Max is still a great phone. So if you own the iPhone 12 Pro Max or higher, please save your money and skip this update, otherwise you'll be disappointed. In the next few days, I'll be making a full review of this new groundbreaking iPhone 15 Pro Max and comparing it to my old buddy iPhone 12 Pro Max, so stay subscribed if you are interested in this kind of videos. And yes, Now you can charge your AirPods case right from the iPhone. Although if you have AirPods with a lightning cable, you still need to carry on a USB-C to lightning cable because, you know. Thanks for watching. If you want to support me, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech-oriented content. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel as well. See you later on YouTube. Bye bye.